Hey everybody, giving you an up-close look and demo of the Ego Power Plus 15-inch 56-volt cordless string trimmer with rapid reload. I absolutely love this product, and you're going to see here just how well it does the trimming, in this case of the front yard, without scattering other debris nearby. We're focused on an extra quarter of an inch of grass that runs right alongside of rocks and other debris, but the way that this is built, and it's so well balanced that it's not going to move other debris elsewhere that you don't want to be mixed in with the grass or anything else. Now, let's get into some of the details of this while you watch the demo of it. This is designed to easily cut down weeds and grass with a professional grade dual feed spiral twist 0.095 inch string cutting line and a 15-inch cutting swath. It has a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers longer run times, low vibrations, and an extended motor life. This is also weather resistant. Now, the rapid reload head that I mentioned allows you to quickly and easily load new cutting line, line up the arrows on the head, and then insert the line and twist. That is super efficient. And I love the variable speed control suitable for different working situations. This has a fan-cooled charging system that prevents the battery and charger from overheating. It is a 50-minute charge time from zero to fully charge, and the battery, as I've mentioned with some of my other videos related to these products, it charges all Ego batteries, which is great. These batteries are interchangeable. So that is what we're looking at here. The package includes the battery, the charger. It has industry-leading ARC lithium technology for incredible power and performance, and I'm super happy with this trimmer. You can really take care of your yard with Ego products, not just the trimmer, but they have a lot of other items as well, and I've never had any trouble with these, and I love how they're all interchangeable. And that's your up-close look and demo of the Ego Power Plus 15-inch 56-volt. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.